Hello everyone, I'm Leela. Welcome to my dreamland. Today we're gonna make a pumpkin head look like this. Okay, now let's start. Open a new part file in millimeter. First we're gonna add like some reference plane. So select the top plane first and the reference geometry plane. All the new plane we ended should above the old one. So the first one, the distance from the first one to top plane is 1 millimeter. Green check. And select the plane one and the geometry plane again. The second one, the distance from the second one to the first one is 5 millimeter. Okay, green check. Click the plane 2, geometry plane. Okay, the distance is 7. Green check. Okay. Select the plane 3, click the plane 3 geometry plane. The distance is 8 millimeter, and the green check. And click the plane 4 geometry plane. The distance is 8, green check. And click the plane 5 geometry plane. Distance is 7, green check. Plane 6, click plane 6 geometry plane. Distance is 5. Click the plane 7 and the geometry plane. Distance is 1. Okay, in the end we created the plane 1 to plane 8, and we have another one is the top plane. So totally we have 9 plane to make drawings on this 9 plane. Okay, now select plane 1 and hold the shift plane 8. Hide them. We do not need them so much. We do them one by one. So select the top plane first and make a sketch. First we draw a circle. And the dimension of the circle is 5 millimeter. Zoom in. Take this. Zoom in. Okay, now draw a center line. Horizontal center line. Okay, use the line. Draw a line like this. The two ends of the line, one is on the circle and the other is on the center line. So select, and the mirror entity to mirror is the line we draw, and the center line is the mirror line. Green check, and then we got these two of these lines, and then we end another point. So the point should be the center of this arc here. So click here, okay, and then select. Give them some dimension. The angle here is 80 degree, and the distance from this point to this point, the horizontal distance is 0.1 millimeter, like this. Okay. Now select. We do this circle sketch pattern. Click here, and the circle face we used is this. Pattern is 10. We need 10 of them. And the arc, click here. And the arc, we select this line and this line. Okay. Now green check. Okay, we got 10 of them. And right click, fully define the sketch. Green check. Okay. Now select the trim tool here. Trim tool, I like to use this one, the trim tool closest. So click this one. Trim this thing off. Trim this part off. Don't get the wrong one. Make sure you trim all of them. Okay, now green check. Okay, So this sketch on the top plane is done. So exit the sketch. Now hide this sketch. Okay, select the plane 1, make a sketch. Same, make a circle here, draw a circle here, and dimension this circle. The dimension of this circle is 40 millimeter. Okay, select, zoom in. The same, the center line, draw a horizontal center line here. Okay, and now draw a line like this. Okay. I want to mirror them because I want them symmetric with the center line. Okay, and end another point here. Okay, right. And the dimension this. So the angle of this is 18. And the distance from this is this. To be 0.8. Okay, now select. We do the circular pattern again. Still, this is the reference, and click here. And we need to select this line and this line. Okay, don't forget to change here, number 10. Number 10. Okay, green check. And now click fully defined sketch. Green check and trim it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, green check. This sketch is done. Exit the sketch. Okay, now hide the second sketch. Hide it. And select the plane 2 and make a sketch. Circle again. This time the dimension of this circle is 15. Click. Okay, the same horizontal center line here. And select a line, draw a line. Okay, select and mirror this line with this one. Okay, now end another point here. Okay, now smart dimension. Here to here is 18 degree. Distance from here to here is 1 millimeter. Okay, now select, and then we do the circular pattern again. The circle is here, and the number of the pattern is 10. And here, clear, zoom in, select these two lines here. Okay, green check. Right click, fully define the sketch. Right check. Okay, now trim it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this one 10. Okay, now fully define this. So green check and exit the sketch. Okay, now hide this sketch. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now select the plane 3 and make a sketch. Now draw a circle. Same. Draw a circle and dimension this circle. Dimension this circle. The distance is 57. Okay, select, zoom in, and then the center line, horizontal center line again, horizontal center line. Okay, draw a line like this. Mirror this. Okay, now end another point here. Okay, select, and then give the smart dimension. Angle here is 18 degree, and the distance from here to here is 1.14. Enter. Okay. Now select and the circular pattern again. And this is number 10. And here clear and select the 2 line here. Green check. Okay. Right click, fully define the sketch. Green check. Okay, trim it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we fully define this. So green check, exit the sketch. Okay, hide this sketch 4. Okay, now select the plane 4 and make a sketch. This is our middle layer sketch, and give the dimension. Dimension 16. Okay. Select the center line and make a horizontal center line again, and select the line and draw a line like this. Okay, select and then mirror it exactly like before. Okay, give the dimension a point here. Okay, smart dimension from here to here is 18 degree, and the distance from here to here is 1.2. Okay, now select, use the circular pattern. Is this is 10. Clear this and select these 2 lines. Okay, green check and click, fully define the sketch. Green check. Okay, then trim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we fully define this also. So green check and exit the sketch. Okay, now hide this sketch 5. Hide this. Now we need to do the sketch 6. Select the plane 5. Plane 5, and do you remember the sketch we made, the sketch 4? The sketch 4. So now show the sketch 4. Show the sketch 4. Show the sketch 4, and then select the plane 5 and make a sketch. And now we select the convert entity here, and select the click here, select chain. Remember, you should start from this line. So click here, and then green check, and then done. Exit the sketch. Okay, now hide the sketch 6 and the sketch 4. Hide all of them. Okay, now the sketch 3. Show the sketch 3, and then select the plane 6. Make a sketch, and convert entity. Check here. Definitely, you should select this line here. Okay, now green check. Fully defined. Exit the sketch. Okay, now hide the 7 and hide the 3. Okay, now the sketch 2. Show the sketch 2. Okay, and now select the plane 7 and make a sketch. Okay, and convert entity. Select chain, and definitely select this line here. Okay, green check. Okay, fully defined, and exit the sketch and hide them. Okay, now the first sketch. Show the first sketch, and then the last plane is plane 8. Make a sketch. Okay, convert entity and select chain. Make sure you select this line and green check. Okay, now exit the sketch. Okay, we got all of them. Now, you select the sketch 2 and hold Control. Select the 8. Hold Shift. Sorry. Select 2 and hold Shift. Select 8, and then show them. So this all. Now you can see all the sketch we made now. Okay. Now you select the loft base. Use the flyout menu. Select the sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, sketch 4, 5, 6, 7. Give the computer some time because this is complex. It's gonna calculate these things, so need some time. Wait for a little while. Okay, 9. Okay. Haha, looks nice, huh? Okay, now green check. Hey, seems nice, huh? Now click here, the plus sign here, and select the sketch 1 and hold the Shift, sketch 8, and hide them, hide all the sketch. Okay, now this is our pumpkin look like, but we need to do something for this. Okay, now do some fillet. Click the fillet here, and the dimension here is 1 millimeter. Do you see the center line in the middle? Click this line here, and you need to select the 10 of them. Select this a little bit slow because calculator is really big, so it needs some time to calculate these things. So no hurry, just take your time. Okay. Okay, another one. Okay, I think this is the last one. Okay, let's see from the top. Okay, we select all the 10 edges. So now use the green check. Okay, now this is our pumpkin looks like. We can make some decoration on this pumpkin. So select the front plane and extrude cut. You can add some like eyes. I can use the center line first. You can add some decoration for this. Just to draw something. Oops. This time I'm gonna give the lip. Okay, select. Judge this a little, make it smaller. I cannot. Okay, delete. You can make some decoration to this pumpkin head. So, just gonna draw something like this. Right. And I'm gonna mirror this. I want to make the eyes the same. But you can draw anything you like. Okay. Now draw a mouse. Horrible mouse. Oh. Select. Okay. Now we need to fully define this sketch. Fully define the sketch on the green check. Okay. Exist the sketch. Here we should cut in both direction and through all. So the first direction through all, the direction 2 through all. So green check. This is what the pumpkin face looks like. I want to end something in the middle, so select the front plate again. Make us extrude base. Just draw something. Draw a rectangular, maybe center rectangular. Just to make them contain all the mouth and eyes. Mouth and eyes like this. Okay. So make this part a little bit bigger. Inside. And make this part. Should make sure this rectangular is inside the pumpkin head. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay. Now green check and exit the sketch and make this to two direction, each of them 2 millimeter. The first direction and the second direction 2 millimeter. Okay, green check. Okay, from outside you can see nothing. Okay, now let me change the color. So for the pumpkin head, for this one, inside the last extrude base we made, right click and appearance, post extrude one. Okay, I want to make this color. Okay, green check, and the pumpkin head, faded left, or the pumpkin head here. Appearance, part 2. Make the color. I want to make it this color. And select the shiny. Make it shiny. This one or this one? This one looks better. So green check. Now this is our pumpkin head looks like. You can make different face. Not that bad, huh? Okay. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna make the other Halloween decoration next time, and in the end I'm gonna assemble them together. So see you next time. Bye bye.